So hi guys, today it's the time we should evolve. We've passed the need for this. And now it's time for, me to evolve. I'm not gonna evolve like a fucking Pokemon or something.
Who's that Pokemon? It's Sandshrew!
It's just, I'm gonna bleach and dye my hair.
Lord help us all.
I'm gonna show you how I bleach my hair naturally, how I conduct genocide on my hair.
Let's destroy them.
I can't.
So I'm gonna be bleaching my hair first, and I'm gonna be using this. It's like the oxidizing cream by Ashley Shine. It's like the 40 volume, and like their bleaching powder too. Like yeah, both Ashley Shine. I'm gonna do like a little educational shit for you first.
The classroom gems.
Please give me cup.
It's a must to consider kung anong oxidizer bibilin mo, or like the developer cream, because there are like 4 variants. There's the 10 volume, or like the 3, then the 20 or 6%, plus 38% ata. And then this one, the 12% or the 40 volume. You have to understand that the higher the volume, the faster your hair is gonna burn.
Burn it, itching and burn it.
Like literally and not so literally, because when I started like bleaching my hair, I started with like a 30 development.
Like a fucking
Or that is like the safest, because it's not that damaging. It's not that weak. So if you have like fragile or brittle hair, or you nag-dye na kayo, or you did some sorcerer shit on your hair already, I suggest to use like 20% dye first, or 10% if it's really that weak, and 30 if like virgin hair ka pa lang. Kung risk taker ka, I suggest use 40, because it's like the fastest and it will lift your hair the best talaga. So the solution, 1:2, like that is the ratio. Always use plastic.
Where are the plastics?
You're plastic. Cold, shiny, hard plastic.
Like never use metal, because it has something to do with like chemistry or like alchemy. I don't know. Maganda gumamit ng metal, because I think it's gonna like negate the effect of the bleach. It's like PEMDAS or whatever. The final thing you need is Jesus.
And as soon as I walked through the second door, I heard the voice of Jesus say,
Take like a scoop. This is like 1 fluid ounces, and just put it there. Always seal your bleach, because somehow oxygen kills its potency or something.
Unti-unti siyang nawawala nang hindi ko rin alam kung bakit.
The oxidizer cream, like tansyahin mo lang gano'n mo kailangan mo. Yeah, I'm gonna do it that first. Hindi ko matinansya because but kailangan ko tansyahin, because it's just me. I kind of put too much the powder, so I'm gonna like try my best to dilute it a bit. Keep on mixing it hanggang right consistency. It should look like kind of purpley.
Yeah, I love being purple.
But not that purpley. Should look like kind of pastel. I really suggest na gawin ito na may katulong, because nangangangot na ako, and it's just like 2 minutes. Naiiyak na ako guys, and not because I'm failing miserably, it's because of the oxidizer. Like, I need my mommy! Nagko-continue man ako sa pag-vlog na umiiyak. It's not because I'm crying.
Look, she's crying. Do you hear her crying? Like we care.
Because of pain or shit. It's because naiiyak ako sa amoy na nire-radiate ng punyet ng bleach na to. Hindi ko alam, dapat sanay na yung katawan ko dito, but it's the smell.
Fishy,
Or
sticky,
like,
fishy.
the radiation.
Fishy, sticky.
Actually, naman siya radioactive. It's just nag-edit lang siya ng something na
Fishy,
naiiyak,
sticky,
like the
fishy,
onions.
sticky.
Onions.
They stink?
Yes.
Oh, they make you cry?
Yes.
Wait a minute.
Nasa labas. Mahirap din madilim. Tsaka yung kulog yung ano dyan. Nasakit ang mata mo lalo.
So now, dumating na tayo sa favorite part ko, and that is the call for help. It's call for help. I asked help for my mom, and I'm crying. Okay, I'm back. And bleached na siya. Thanks my mother. She also scolded me because ba't ko daw binleaching sarili kong buhok? Like, so now I'm gonna like plastic bag my hair so it will heat up nice. Just gonna let like the bleach heat up my whole hair for 45 minutes. And let it stay like that, you know, it's heating up, it's plastic wrap, like a gas station sandwich.
I'm a gas station sandwich.
But I'm gonna do like check-ins every other it's been 5 minutes. I think I'm gonna do like the first check-in. Like, it's bleach. Okay. Last 35 more minutes, I think. 7 minute-ish passed, and we're gonna do a check-in again. It's almost like blonde, but I'm trying to do it like platinum blonde-ish, like level 8 or 9 platinum blonde. Yeah. Okay, another 5 minutes has passed, and like I doubled the plastic bag because I'm not getting the heat that I want. Check. Okay, I'm gonna do like last 15 minutes. 15 minutes had passed, and just imagine if that's how white my hair's, like my top hair is.
I'm white.
Like, imagine. I washed my hair. And hindi ko pa tingnan ano naging resulta. So, this is gonna be like the first reaction. So, let's do it. I've been abusing my hair for the past 12 hours, say.
It's called for help.
I have this like cut hair that I do experiments on. Like, this is where I do my strand test. So I was really scared to actually go pink because the box dye that I bought is like hot pink. And I tried it yesterday and I got like really hot neon pink look. Kanina lang, when I stopped recording, I tried like to do a strand test of this mixed with like a clear tone hair dye. I also did like a strand test on my actual hair. As you can see, it's pink. Wait. There, it's pink.
Pink just like salami.
So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna be mixing these colors. This is by Bremod, or whatever.
Dyslexia.
It's the green hair dye shit that you buy on like 588 or shit. I'm gonna mix like 2 to 1 to 3. 3 is the developer, 1 and 2. I'm actually scared to use this, so tatansyahin ko muna siya.
Gayness is an exit hole. It is not an entrance.
The consistency, alam mo yung parang tae or toothpaste, yeah. The consistency is like toothpaste. I think I want it a little more pink. Actually, no, it's not like the annoying pink. I kinda want it to be pastel nga pala. Like one is, I think tatansyahin ko na lang siya. I'm not. It's so pink.
See pink just like salami.
Okay, I'm back. My scalp is killing me. It's like I'm seeing double. Like, ang hapdi na ng anit ko at tumitibok ng utak ko. Like, I'm not exaggerating. It's literally what I'm experiencing. But tinagan ako naman yung nag-decision na to, so I have to endure the pain. Oh, so yeah, I'm gonna leave this on for like 20 minutes to 25 minutes or even 30 minutes, depending kung gaano ko kakayanin yung sakit.
30 minutes later.
Legit talaga, after 5 minutes, maliligo ako, tapos I won't look at any mirror, and I'm gonna cover my hair, and I'm gonna like a pink look. Tapos pagkatapos ko gawin yung makeup ko, that's when I'm gonna reveal it to myself. Like, hindi ko pa nakikita yung first reaction ko with my pink fucking hair.
5 minutes later.
Okay, I'm back. Hindi pa ako tumitingin sa salamin na nakalabas yung hair ko because I want to be surprised. Like, for you and for me. Like, sabay tayo surprise kung pangit man to. So we're gonna do our makeup first. Okay, now that I've built the hype up for my hair, it's time to reveal it.
Reveal yourself!
I wanna say that I hate it, but I can't. Hindi siya pantay-pantay na lumabas like how I wanted it to be. Well, obviously kasi orange yellowish yung hair ko here. unlike the bottom part. I'm gonna be back pag tuyong-tuyo na siya, so I can like give my final verdict to it. But right now, nandidiri ako sa itsura ng buhok ko. Okay, so I'm back. I styled my hair. I kinda hate the way it turned out. Kasi, like, sa may bottom part like this, it's rose goldish na pa-orange. Tas dito is like pink na pink. And now I'm regretting my decision.
He fucked up.
It matches my sweater. I'm gonna try to show you how pink it is. Yeah, I kinda look like a less rich version, no, not less rich, but a poor version of Jeffree Star. And a trying hard version of Batman Rock. So that's my friend yung nag-chat because she's bleaching her hair and I'm guiding her to it. So yeah, I hate this hair. Like, probably after a week, ipapa-bleach ko na to ulit. Like, i-clear tone ko to to get rid of the fucking pink and then I'm gonna bleach it again.
I can't. Please call for help.
But who knows? Stay tuned. But I guess this is the finale and I'm gonna see you on the next video.